I just wanted to fly the drone for 1 second. Alright, so we're here today to show you the Mavic 2 Pro, and hopefully I'm going to fly it for a while, for at least for a shot. I'm gonna ask Paolo. We're in the middle of nowhere. It's a place with no streets, nothing. But on Google I was able to find like a footpath so that we can go to fly the drone somewhere interesting, like around a castle. The castle of Oreja, that's the name. Well, I think there's no way to go wrong. There's only one path. I'm really curious to see how this drone performs for many reasons. One is the 1-inch sensor made by Hasselblad, like such a big sensor on a relatively small drone. It's something like amazing, incredible, with a higher bit rate and everything. It's supposed to be pretty awesome. And the other thing I want to see, actually I want to hear how much noise it makes, or at least compared to the Mavic Air, which is pretty silent. And this is supposed to be pretty silent too. Just, I don't know, since its size is bigger than the Mavic Air, let's see how it compares to it in terms of noise. I think Paolo is in a good mood.
What?
Can I fly the drone? Just one shot? Why not? Come on. I'll let you drive my car.
Do you have a car?
Of course I do. I have an Audi, a Quattro.
Where is it?
In New York.
New York.
Yeah. Well, I tried. I'm going to insist and let's see what happens. Well, I guess this is not the castle, so we keep going. Let's see if you let me fly the drone. Paolo, would you let me fly the drone? Just one shot. Alright, so I guess this is a pretty cool spot, pretty nice spot to fly the drone. Alright, let's get ready. Let's fly this. I just wanted to fly the drone for 1 second to shoot the establishing shot. Eventually, he said yes. Well, then the battery of the drone died, so I wasn't able to shoot more. But that was enough for me to tell you what I think about it. Let me take off my jacket first. I'll be fast, I promise. Alright. So what do I think about the Mavic 2 Pro? First of all, you have to consider that the drone I own is this. I'll go ahead and tell you my impressions on the Mavic 2 Pro. The very first thing I want to say is that it's fast, really fast, oh my god. It's like a bullet. When I had the chance to see the Mavic Air in action, it's not that fast, not nearly as fast. And compared to this, I don't need to say anything. Then, it's so easy to control, it's so responsive. It's at the same time very fast and responsive, which is a very important characteristic in a drone. The other thing I was very curious to see, actually, as I said, not to see but to hear, is how much noise it makes. And compared to the Mavic Air, it's even more like silent, which is unbelievable considering the bigger size of the drone, of the motors and the power. So I'm really impressed. We are in a very silent place with absolutely nobody around, and I can really say that the Mavic 2 Pro doesn't make much noise at all. The footage looks good. I mean, we were not lucky because of the weather. It was like overcast, all gray. I mean, it looks nice. Yes, it's good. It's awesome. I can tell there's a lot of quality there. But I really want to see this drone on a sunny day. And it's probably going to happen very soon because me and Paolo are supposed to go to many other places. And now that he owns a Mavic 2 Pro, there will be a great opportunity for me to take advantage of that. And even though I'm not going to talk about the Mavic 2 Pro again, like a dedicated video, but I'm going to use Paolo's footage in my video, which is going to be great, and I would love to fly it again, hopefully. There are more things that make this drone fantastic. One is the tripod mode, which makes like the movement even more like silky smooth. It's like filming with a dolly, like very cinematic. Another thing is that it works with the radio signal, not with Wi-Fi, so it's so much more reliable. You don't have to worry, even when you fly it so far away from you, you're gonna get it back. So in the overall, from what I've experienced, I like it. I recommend it. So if you're looking forward to buying your very first drone, that might be the perfect buy. Wonderful, great. I mean, if you can spend the money on it, because it's a little pricey in my opinion, but it's great. It's awesome. If you already own a drone and you're looking for an upgrade, just wait a little bit. See some more like in-depth reviews and comments and critics. DJI just launched a new app which allegedly will enable anyone to see where you and your drone are when you're using it. So you may want to wait a little bit before buying a DJI drone. But if I only have to judge the Mavic 2 Pro, it's just awesome. Now, you need to smash the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video.